I die without seeing the dawn brighten over my native land. You who have it to see, welcome it, and forget not those who have fallen during the night.
Farewell to my country. To die is to rest, perhaps to dream of freedom.
Pepe, is it true?
Yes, tomorrow morning.
We've come to see you one last time.
We remember your words, even when you're gone.
Then my sacrifice is not in vain.
In exile, he healed the sick, educated the youth, and built a life of a quiet service.
Sa bawat lupang pinanglilibing, merong hukay na lumalalim. Oh, di mo mapipigil ang kahapon sa pagsilip. Ang buhay na inutang ang sukli ay mapait. Lahat ng tinatago sa ilalim ng buwan, pagkabukas araw ay sinisikatan. Oh, ang katotohanan ba ay bubunyag mo? Oh, ang katotohanan ang siyang magbubunyag sa'yo. Pag amin na lang ang natitira, mali ay di maitatama. Wala ka nang magagawa, lahat ay huli na, huli na.
I do not fear death. I fear being forgotten. I am ready. Eject kita!
Rizal's body fell, but his words rose. His last farewell was the first step to our nation's freedom.
Nabubulok mga sikreto mo na lamang loob tang naloob.